Hello sisters, welcome back. It's Miss Sunny and thanks so much for clicking on this video. I got a new client who was telling me about how it's been 2 years now and she has not seen any change in the length of her hair and she needs a recommendation on what cream to use. And so I'm making this video for her and all sisters finding themselves facing this similar struggle. And that's why it would be good for you to share this video with any sister, anyone you know also facing this problem of not seeing improvements in the length of their hair for years. Now let's get right on into the video. I'm going to be sharing with you a cream I mix that has helped me retain the length of my hair. My hair doesn't break unnecessarily, and therefore when I grow new hair strands for my scalp, I'm able to retain that length, and that's how I see change in the length of my hair. And it is thanks to cream mixes like this that I use. Now I'm quickly going to show you how I make this cream mix. I'm going to be taking an empty bowl and a spoon. We are going to be needing about 3 ingredients, okay? 3 things to prepare this mix. Follow closely so you do not miss out on any of them. Now I'm going to be taking the first thing, that is flaxseed gel. The main reason why I'm using flaxseed gel is because it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and natural mucilage that helps hydrate and moisturize your hair strands, thereby preventing dryness and breakage. This gel is also free from harmful chemicals and preservatives, making it a safe option for use on all hair types. The next ingredient is green tea. I'm using green tea because it contains vitamins B and C, which strengthens hair strands and reduces split ends. Again, the polyphenols and antioxidants in green tea protect the hair from sun damage and environmental stresses. Green tea, when applied to the hair strands, protects your hair from all these stresses, thereby preventing dryness and brittleness of your hair. The third thing I'm going to be using in this cream mix is olive oil, a good hair oil. You could use castor oil, you can use avocado oil, any good hair oil you have, you can use it. I'm using olive oil because it's one of the best hair oils out there, and the added bonus is it's very cheap, it's very affordable too. So I'm using about 1 to 2 teaspoons of the olive oil in the mix. Then I'm going to stir this. If you're watching this video and not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. Subscription is free. And if you've not liked the video, kindly like so that the video can be pushed out to more sisters so they can learn from the video. Now we are going to be needing one last product before our cream mix is ready for use, and that's going to be a good hair conditioner. I'm using the Herbal Essence Bio New hair conditioner. It's a rinse out conditioner, meaning that when we apply it in our hair, we'll wash it out after an hour or 2. Okay, don't use a leave-in conditioner, use a rinse out conditioner. Now, as you can see, I've stirred the whole mix, and this is what we are going to be using in our hair strands. Next, I'm going to be taking you through the application process, the do's and don'ts when using this mix. Now, this is my hair. I've already worked the back section of the hair. So I took my hair from a protective style, and my hair is a tangled mess. What a lot of sisters do is you go ahead and comb your hair in this state, and that's how come your hair keeps on breaking. Do not comb your hair when your hair is dry. You just take out your protective style, it's all crunchy and dry. Don't comb your hair. Always go in with liquid or a cream mix like what we just prepared. The next direction for use is always section out your hair. It makes the application easier, number 1. It makes detangling more easy to number 2. It's just all around better when you section out your hair when applying this mix. I'll be taking a small portion of the mix, then apply it on my hair strands, the roots of my hair, the length of my hair, the ends of my hair. I'm going to be focusing this mix on it. And I'm also going to be showing you in real time how easy it is to comb out my hair when I use this hair mix. Literally, you do not see any breakage. That's how you retain your hair length. That's how you see increase in your hair length. So after I've applied the cream mix and the finger detangled, you can see how the comb is just running through my, like, it's just easy. The comb is just running through my hair, no snagging, no necessary breakage. This is how easy it is. I'm going to be twisting the section that I just combed. I'll twist it into place before I move on to the next section. I I know a sister might ask, so after I finish applying this, will I rinse it out? Yes, I'll rinse it out. Not shampoo it out, rinse it out with normal water. That is, after I apply the cream into my hair, I'm going to let it sit in my hair for about 2 to 3 hours before I rinse it out. Then, when I rinse it out, I go ahead with my leave-in conditioner, oil, butters to seal in the moisture. So that is the routine. In real time, this is how easy it is to comb out your hair when you use a mix like what I just showed you. Another thing worth mentioning too is that a lot of sisters, after you comb out your hair, you leave it like that, then it will go back to tangling. When you comb out, when you section your hair, you comb it out. Don't just leave it free ball like that. Make sure that you put it into some loose twist so that that section remains detangled. It doesn't mix with the other hair strands to cause more tangling. And this is how luscious and juicy my twists are looking right after I use the cream. So I'm going to continue applying the cream until I'm done with all the sections in the front part of my hair. I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to leave the video play so you can have more visual representation of what I do. For my sisters who want a visual on what to do after they rinse out this cream from their hair, I already have a video on what to do. I'm going to link that video in the description box. You can check it out to know what to do after you rinse out this cream mix from your hair. That video is basically a step-by-step process on how to moisturize your hair so your hair stays moisturized for weeks. That way, when you take out your protective style, it doesn't become too hard, too crunchy, and break unnecessarily. As I've already showed you how the cream is prepared, I've showed you the application process, the do's and don'ts after you use the cream. If you have any more questions relating to any of these things I've discussed, please let me know in the comments. If you have any thoughts you want to share too, let me know. I love reading your comments, so please be sure to leave a comment. If you have any additional tips that can help other sisters on how to retain length better, any additional tips I've not mentioned in this video, also be sure to mention them in the comments. We would love to learn from you as well. Here's the last section of hair I'm working on. I'm going to just slightly detangle with my hands first, then go ahead, apply the cream mix onto my hair strands, finger detangle some more. Make sure that you also apply it on the ends of your hair. Very important. Then I'm going to gently comb with a wide tooth comb before I go ahead and twist the hair into place. After twisting the hair, I'm going to cover my hair for about 2 to 3 hours before I rinse it out. After rinsing it out, as I mentioned earlier, you're going to go in with your leave-in conditioner, then seal in with any oil or butter, preferably shea butter. Seal in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner with the butter or oil. Then that's how you end the routine. But if you still don't understand this part, don't worry. I have a video on the moisturizing process. I'm going to link that video in the description box below so you can check it out after watching this video. I think I've covered a lot of stuff in this video. But if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. This is how my hair is looking after I applied the mix. And as you can see, my hair soaked up all the goodness from the cream. It's almost like I didn't apply anything. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. It's Miss Sunny, and until the next video, I'm out.